So this mold-free digital manufacturing solution can print high-quality resin casting patterns in hours, enable the production of highly complex metal parts while significantly reduce the cost. So our patents are among the best performing 3D printing pattern technology in the industrial application today, with quality very close to, and in some perspective, even surpassing the traditional mold west pattern. This is not just a technical advancement, it's bring tangible economy benefit and production efficiency improvement to our customer. So here are few advantage we see and we heard from our actual user. And on this case study is the Changjiang 2000 type casing. It's a giant part with a diameter of 1.5 meter long. And imagine the amazing engineering effort, the time, the cost involved in creating this vast pattern for such a behavior. That will be a month of work and excessive expense will be required to producing the mold. And however, now with our technology, with our solution, we are able to complete the 3D print pattern in approximately 43 hours. And this is the last page to summarize the 5 key advantages of using our 3D print pattern for investment casting.